You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's remove the message button from your Facebook profile. First, log into Facebook on a computer browser. Go to your profile page. Click on the three dots below your cover photo next to the Add Story button. Select Edit Privacy from the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up with various privacy toggles. Look for the setting that says Who can send you friend requests and the one for Who can send you messages. Click on these settings. Change the message setting from everyone or friends of friends to friends. This limits who can message you but doesn't remove the button entirely. To completely hide the button from your public profile, you may need to use the Who can see your friends list option and set it to only me, but this affects more than messages. Facebook does not provide a direct option to delete the message button itself. You can only restrict who can use it. For more complete control, consider deactivating your Messenger app in your Facebook settings under Apps and Websites. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.